Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's talk about some power tactics to beat the YouTube Shorts algorithm. I'm going to share some insights on that, a few things that I've done on my channel, getting major success with my short form content. And if you stay with me all the way through till the end, I've got some extra bonus PowerPoints and what they don't tell you about your subscribers. You do not want to miss this. Let's get into it. This video is being brought to us by video.ai, but we'll get more into that after we get into this. So the first power tactic to beat the YouTube Shorts algorithm is to make sure you capitalize on different links of your different videos. Remember, when we get on YouTube, certain people who like to watch 30-second videos, they will probably be likely to be shown more 30-second videos. Those who like to watch 50-second videos will probably be shown more of those. And then there are others who only like to watch long live streams. Maybe an hour, 30 minutes, 10-minute videos. What has helped me on my channel is to capitalize on different links for different videos at different times. I found that there's three main links that you want to consider. And the first one is 10 to 15 seconds. And the second length is 20 to 30 seconds. And the third one to capitalize on is 50 to 59 seconds. I've seen other channels that make their video lengths over 60 seconds or right at 60 seconds. You don't want to do that, and I'll get more into that in a minute. But those are the three main lengths to consider when you're creating your short form content: 10 to 15, 20 to 30, and 50 to 59. There are some channels who will make their shorts 60 seconds. But what happens is the YouTube processing, when they start processing your video, it's quite possible that they will add seconds to it. And if they ended up adding a second, it'll be over that 1 minute mark. That's what you don't want to do. That will eliminate it and keep it from showing up on that short shelf. So avoid 60-second shorts. Also, keep in mind, right now, YouTube is showing a lot of love for those short videos, trying to compete with TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels. They're showing a lot of love to your short form content. So because of that, this is a great time to create shorts for your YouTube channel, getting you out there to more subscribers, and I'll talk more about that coming up in a minute as well. Right now is a great time to be creating shorts for your channel. This is a great time to do it. I remember when shorts first came out, when they first started showing them, people were getting away with it. You could basically do whatever you wanted to do with them. But now you'll find that they're really starting to critique those things. They want to make sure that you can compete with other short form content on the platform. Everybody's in competition on the different lengths of different videos, serving different people with different algorithms. And remember, when we talk about algorithm, we're really talking about the audience. I've learned to replace that word algorithm with audience. So we're really talking about how to capitalize on the YouTube Shorts audience, not really an algorithm, but that's the word that they use. So keep that in mind and change up that word algorithm with audience. Definitely stay away from those 60 seconds. They'll add to it and that'll keep you from getting on that short shelf. That's where you want to be. And the second power tactic to beat the YouTube Shorts algorithm is to make sure you have text coming on your screen as soon as your video starts. You want to make sure you have text coming on the screen, letting people know what's going on. You have to remember, a lot of people are watching these videos without the volume. And I found that what works for me is to make sure that you have text popping on the screen. They're able to follow along and keep that going along with your videos, text on the screen. That's why I love our sponsor for this video today, called video.ai. That's video.ai. I'll leave a link to them in the description, but check this out. You just go to that website, video.ai. They'll bring up a screen similar to this right here, and they'll ask you a few basic questions. Answer a few questions, real simple. Which of these describes you best? For me, it's video content. As you can see, they have different choices. What do you like to make? For me, it's making short form content, edit subtitles. So just follow along. It's free to get started. You can always upgrade. They will help you to put subtitles and put text on your videos. As you can see, just getting started, you can upgrade if you want to upgrade, but you're just getting started. They start you off with 75 minutes every month that you can get for free just to get started. They'll have it where you can personalize it with your handle, for different platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. For me, it's YouTube. They'll process the video for you. Once they load the video, you can choose between different templates that you like to use. All the templates automatically add subtitles to your videos. And once you get it just the way you want it, you can save it, upload it to your channel, edit it a little later. This is a great service to use. Putting text on the screen. I'll leave a link to them in the description. So I want to give a big shout out to video.ai. If you choose to use them, just tell them Stevon sent you. Putting text on the screen as soon as your video pop up, that's going to maintain retention, keep people watching for longer. So remember that the next time you create your short videos, putting that text on the screen is not only going to help retain people because they have that popping up as soon as they start watching, but for those who are not watching with their volumes up, it's going to retain them as well, giving them something to read so that they know what your short is all about. And there are other ways that you could do it, but I like video.ai because they're free to use, free to get started, and easy to access. And by the way, if you're new here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Let's get our shorts on that short shelf together. Love to have you here at Next Level. And the third power tactic to beat the YouTube Shorts algorithm is to add a custom thumbnail to your shorts. Now I know they say it can't be done. As you look on the screen, they'll always say, for now, you can't change the thumbnail to your short. But they don't tell you the whole story. Actually, you can. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And one of the ways you can do that is with TubeBuddy. Check them out with the link in the description, or just go to tubebuddy.com/StevonJBiz. That's free to get started as well. So you want to go behind the screens, check on any video that you want to add a custom thumbnail to. This is a short right here that I put one on. Click on that edit button and it's going to bring up a page right here. You'll notice they have a screenshot to get started with. And right up under that short, you'll see where it says TubeBuddy. Click on that icon right there where it says TubeBuddy Tools. You can add your title. You can add different things like that. It will allow you to add tags to it. But this is the main thing I want you to see. Once you finish adding your text and your tags, it's going to say next. Once you click that next button, it's going to say upload thumbnail. Nobody's talking about that. Nobody's talking about that. Upload your custom thumbnail just like that. Everybody say you can't upload a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. Now you know how to do it. So click on that button right there where it says upload thumbnail. Once you click upload thumbnail, you can go pick out a custom thumbnail from your different files. I've got one here that I used on one of my videos. So you go ahead and click that. The thing to keep in mind is not going to apply right away. You have to go right back to your YouTube studio. Once you click apply to video, it'll take you right back to your YouTube studio behind the scenes. That's when the change will apply. Just like you see right here. Check this out. That's the thumbnail that they had, the screenshot. Once you click save, boom, it'll change to the custom thumbnail. Now you know how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind when it comes to a custom thumbnail for your YouTube short. The first thing is that your thumbnails won't show on the short shelf. Any custom thumbnail that you upload won't show on the short shelf. They'll still choose whatever they want. YouTube has its own screenshots that they'll choose. And the second thing is that you can't go back and change it back to the screenshot that YouTube had originally. I haven't found a way to do that just yet. Let me know in the comments if you find a way to do that. I would like to know. So keep that in mind if you decide to use that custom thumbnail through TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy.com/StevonJBiz, or you could just go to TubeBuddy.com and they'll give you a start for free. You could upgrade anytime you want to. And what I found on my channel is uploading a custom thumbnail works best when YouTube, maybe YouTube might capture a screenshot that doesn't have titles on it, doesn't have subtext on it, or it's just not pleasing to you. That's one of the best times to upload your own custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. You can do that. So now you know how to do it. Just another power tactic to beat the YouTube Shorts algorithm and get your views up there. Take your shorts to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next Level Mindset. That's where it's at. Now I've got a couple of extra bonus PowerPoints that I want to share with you. But first, before we do that, if you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can return the blessing with a Cash App donation, super thanks, super chat, take my books home with you, buy a coffee, as well as other ways you can do that with the links in the description. I appreciate it. So this first bonus PowerPoint deals with that 1 out of 10. I found that it's all right to upload more than one short per day. But once you got that 1 out of 10 confetti popping, once you get that, that's when you don't want to upload any more shorts for the day. You want to give the YouTube system, the algorithm system, time to find an audience for that video, capitalizing on that success. And until you get that 1 out of 10, I would say wait an hour in between. That's what has worked for me. Give it an hour, enough time to breathe in between. But once you get that 1 out of 10, you're done for the day on your shorts. Another thing to keep in mind, there is something called the swipe versus views ratio. So what you want to do is go behind the scenes, click on that reach tab. It's going to show you how many times they've showed it in the short shelf. It's going to show you how many views you got. But check this out. This is the percentage of those who watch. You want to make sure that swipe rate is low and the view rate is high. As you can see on this video, this is one of my videos, the view ratio is 85% and the swipe ratio is only 14%. That's your goal. That's what you really want to do. You want to have more people viewing it. That'll give you a greater chance for YouTube to put that on the short shelf to get you the views that you want to get. Maybe you're just getting started and you're just starting with short form content. Right now is the best time. YouTube is really showing a lot of love for shorts creators. As a matter of fact, on this video right here, in the first hour, I gained 9 subscribers, over 1,000 views, and a lot of people will tell you that your subscribers are not watching you. I've got proof that they are. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here, coming up on the screen, facts about your subscribers that YouTube don't talk about. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out, enjoy that. Gotta show some love for my subscribers and returning viewers. I appreciate you. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.